tell me something when the rain falls on my face. How do you quickly replace it with a golden summer smile? Tell me something when I'm feeling tired and afraid. How do you know just what to say to make everything alright? I don't think that you even realize the joy you make me feel when I'm inside your universe. You hold me like I'm the one who's precious. I hate to break it to you, but it's just the other way around. You can take your stars all you want, but I'll always be the lucky one. Tell me something when I'm about to lose control. How do you patiently hold my hand, gently calm me down? Tell me something when you sing and when you laugh. Why do I always photograph my heart flying way above the clouds? Don't think that you even realize the joy you make me feel when I'm inside your universe. You hold me like I'm the one who's precious. I hate to break it to you, but it's just the other way around. You can take your stars all you want, but I'll always be the lucky one. You can take your stars all you want, but I'll always be the lucky one. Whoa. That you even realize the joy you make me feel when I'm inside your universe. You hold me like I'm the one who's precious. I hate to break it to you, but it's just the other way around. You can take your stars all you want, but I'll always be the lucky one. You can take your stars all you want, but I'll always be the lucky one.
Mellow 947 BFM. Good afternoon and welcome to the show. This is Mellow Live. My name is Anne. I'm your host, and this afternoon on Mellow Live, we are joined by one of the fresh voices in alternative OPM. He's a singer, songwriter, and producer from Laguna whose story started with beats, covers, and a lot of quiet work during the pandemic, and he is now growing into a brand new chapter with his own original music. Live in the Mellow studio, we got Lorenzo Jan, ladies and gentlemen. Woo!
Hello, good
Welcome
afternoon.
to the show. Ito yung camera mo. Ayan, say hello to your fans.
Hello
They
po.
are watching on Facebook Live and on TikTok Live right now. Lorenzo, welcome to the show.
Hello po, magandang hapon. Maraming salamat sa
pag-invite
pag-invite
namin.
po dito
Maraming
sa akin.
salamat for
Ayun.
saying yes
Ayun
to this. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Diba?
Binabati ko po yung nanay ko dyan. Nagtatrabaho siya ngayon. Shoutout
Hi,
sa'yo.
Mommy! Oh, ayan, nanonood,
Hello
diba?
po. Sinoutout na kita. Nagagalit ka eh. Okay.
Okay, so you know what? We're excited to have you here because yung story mo feels like very new generation OPM. You know, you're not someone who waited for yung traditional route. You started creating your music, producing your songs, posting, and building your sound online.
Yes po.
'Diba? Tama ba? And now we get to hear more of who you are through your original songs. But you started with a remake.
Opo,
Rico
yes.
Blanco's Your Universe, diba? And you know what? I find it interesting pagka the artist starts with a what do you call this? With a remake. If a new
Opo.
artist starts with a remake, kasi parang it lets us hear two things. Yung influences mo and your instinct as
Yes.
an artist, diba? So why choose this particular track to open the show? And does it somehow describe also your music and your sound?
Yes, actually po talaga one of my influences is like the legend itself, Mr.
Mm.
Rico Blanco.
Mm.
Kaya gustong-gusto ko rin pong kantahin tong Your Universe kada set ko kasi parang in this song, parang nasa-set niya yung mood for the audience din and pang pa-warm up din po ng boses kasi para sa akin hindi siya yung sobrang birit,
Mm.
hindi siya yung sobrang baba rin naman na parang nakakaano na mood. Parang tama lang po siya to set the mood up
Okay.
both sides. Kaya, and ano rin po, yung arrangement na yun po yung like, pinanglaban ko po finals sa sinalihan kong contest
Yes.
sa ano po, sa Jameson.
Jameson, yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
yun po yung final ano ko, song na inano ko. Kaya, parang for me, performing it every set, parang means a lot kasi yung contest na yun parang nagbigay po sa akin ng parang context kung paano po ba like paano mag-work tong industry natin.
Mhm, mhm. So, yun yung parang naging stepping stone
Yes
mo
po.
into the music
Yes po,
industry.
yes.
Right? So, I wanted to go back to the beginning.
Apo.
And you started during the pandemic. Tama ba? So, yung whole musical journey mo, nag-start nung naka-lockdown tayong lahat. When a
Yes.
lot of people were stuck at home with their own thoughts. When everyone else was baking banana bread or making dalgona
Dalgona
coffee, di ba? Or nagtatanim, nagpaplantita-plantito, di ba? You were making music.
Yes
Yeah,
po.
kwento mo sa amin, how did that start? Paano mo naisip na, you know what, tutugtog ako and then I'm gonna post it online?
Actually, nag-start po siya since grade 3 po kasi medyo ano na ako sa performing arts. Sanay na
Okay.
po ako na
Grade 3 ka lang no pandemic, no? Just kidding. Okay, go.
biglang tangkad. Pero
Okay,
ayun
okay.
po, since grade 3, parang nagsanay na po nagpe-perform sa stage, ganyan, singing contest, mga intermission.
Mm.
Then nung high school, ano sa bands. Yan, ganyan. Kasi sabi ko, uy, parang chill tong band na to. Parang di kailangan magaling ka laging kumanta, ganun.
Okay.
Parang low maintenance siya para sa akin.
Low maintenance.
Opo.
Oh, sige.
Sabi ko, parang mag-aaral lang tayo instrument, ganun. Di sabi ko, bumuo pa akong banda.
Okay.
Then, after din po nung high school, parang accidentally, nag-join ako sa theater auditions. Kasi kala ko po singing contest audition siya. So, pagka yung pumasa po ako, biglang may nag-hand ng script. Biglang pina-act kami bigla. Sabi ko, ano to? Kala ko singing contest to.
Okay.
E di, ayun po, nagpatuloy. Hanggang sa buong high school, nag-theater po ako. Then, nagka-pandemic. E di yung parang apoy po sa akin sa performing arts. Parang nawawala talaga.
Mm.
So, naghanap po ako ng way kung paano gumawa ng beats.
Okay.
Then, inaral ko po kung paano po talaga mag-music prod, ganun,
Mm.
through YouTube
Grabe
University.
self-taught.
Opo,
Okay.
yes po.
Okay.
Then, ayun po, like, nag-focus po ng mga covers.
Mm.
Then, medyo na, sorry, allergies.
That's okay.
Then, ayun po, nag-post po sa YouTube, then
Mm.
TikTok. Then, ayun po, kada cover po, minamake sure ko na medyo nag-i-improve ako
Mm.
through the mix, ganon, through the, like, pag-play ng instruments. And then, yun po, hanggang sa nagpatuloy, hanggang college, dinala ko siya kahit na medyo practical yung kinuha kong program sa college since
Which is?
computer science.
Oh, di ba
Hindi
ang
po-
layo?
Opo. Ganun po talaga.
Okay.
Then, ayun po. Kasi may nakita akong auditions online, dun nga po sa Jameson Distilled Sound PH. Artist search po siya.
Yes.
Which is,
Did this happen? What year did this happen?
Last year.
Last year
po.
lang.
Yes
Okay,
po.
okay.
then yung mga judges po dun is si Kuya Pio ng Lola Amor.
Mm.
Then si Miss Army ng Up Dharma
Mm.
Down. Sabi ko, oh my God, parang gusto kong sumali dito.
Okay.
Hindi yung parang natutunan ko po nung pandemic. Then, in-apply ko siya dun sa parang audition process na to. Parang nag-send po ako ng cover na medyo tinwist ko yung music itself. Then, then tanda ko na to habang nagawa po ako ng thesis. Tumawag yung parang like head ng contest. Parang sabi, Lorenzo, congratulations. You're part of the artist search for this on the Philippines.
So, nakuha ka.
Opo, parang hindi ko po siya
Okay.
in-expect. Kasi
Okay.
pinasa ko po yung audition vid ko nun. Deadline na.
Aha.
So sabi ko, baka hindi na to. Tapos bigla po may tumawag na may accent.
May
Ayun.
accent.
Oo.
Nakakatawa ka magkwento. So, when you decided to join this competition, was that the point na after the pandemic kasi bumalik na tayo sa new normal, di
Yes
ba?
po.
Did you continue performing?
Yes po, actually. Nung bandang 2024, ano po siya, nagkaroon ako ng turning point sa buhay ko na nababurnout na ako sa ACADS. Parang since medyo
Okay.
practical nga po yung kinuha kong program.
Okay.
Parang, syempre, performing arts tayo. Ano ba yan? Bakit ako nagko-code? Ganyan. Gusto kong
Oo.
kumanta. Eh di yun po, parang, nung year na yon nag-enroll po ako sa PETA workshop. Parang nag-theater, theater workshop ulit. Then, yun po yung start ulit nung parang,
Parang nabuhayan ka ulit.
opo, after po nun, ng workshop na yun, meron pong songwriting competition sa Mapua.
Okay.
Eh di, nag-join na rin po ako. Then, thankfully, pinalad po akong manalo. Then, dun sa competition na yun.
Okay.
Then, ayun po. Now, mangyayari po ulit yung competition na yun sa Mapua. Then, isa na po ako sa judges.
Oh, wow.
Opo. Kaya-
From a contestant before,
Yes po.
ikaw na ngayon ng one of the judges in
Opo.
that same competition. Wow, congratulations. What an
Thank you po.
interesting journey you've
Opo,
had.
medyo nakakapagod
Lorenzo,
po talaga.
Na nagsimula sa, pa-cover,
Opo.
pag-post sa, sa online, diba, during the pandemic, and now you're recording your own songs, and that is just pretty amazing. So, mahaba pa tong kwentuhan natin. We just need to take a breather. We got
Okay.
Lorenzo Jan joining us today on Mellow Live. Stay with us. This is Mellow 947 BFM.
Bakit ang daming sinasabi ng mga tao sa paligid? Kasi tiro tayo bagay, lumayo ka na. Ako raw ay sinungaling, lulungkoyin ka. Iwanan pag nakuha na ang gusto niya. Sana lang ay huwag kang makinig sa kanila. Baka di nila alam kung anong meron sa ating dalawa. Baka di nila alam kung anong meron sa ating dalawa. Kahit anong ibulong ng hangin, mga salitang ito ang laging isipin, na hanggang sa dulo ng walang lalakbayin, makapiling ka lang. Girl, you know I can't stop. Girl, you know I won't stop. Di nila mapipigilan tayong dalawa. Pipigilan tayong dalawa. Ikaw at ako lamang ang makakaalam kung ano ang dapat na gawin sa mga problema at suliranin natin. Hayaan ang nainggit, basta mahigpit ang yakap mo sa'kin. Huwag mo silang pansin, baka di nila alam kung anong meron sa ating dalawa. Pagkat di nila alam kung anong meron sa ating dalawa. Kahit anong ibulong ng hangin, mga salitang ito ay laging isipin na hanggang sa dulo na walang nalalakbayin, makapiling ka lang. Girl, you know I can't stop. Girl, you know I won't stop. Di nila mapipigilan tayong dalawa. Mapipigilan tayong dalawa. I can't stop. Girl, you know I won't stop. Di nila mapipigilan tayong dalawa. Mapipigilan tayong dalawa.
Mellow 947 BFM. This is Mellow Live. My name is Ann, and we still got Lorenzo Jan in the house. Lorenzo! And we are already on the second block of the show, and you chose this song.
Yes.
You started the second block with Mikey's Letter from Just Hush,
Yes.
diba? Your own rendition of it. Bakit ito napili mo, and what part of this song feels connected to who you are as an artist?
Okay po. First of all, sorry kasi medyo may piyok-piyok tayo doon. Pero ganun po talaga pag live. Tsaka kinakabahan ako. Kaya
Kaya
it
tsaka
happens.
ina-allergy ka.
Yes,
So ayan, may
ina-allergy
disclaimer
po. Galing
tayo.
po ako
Okay.
sa sipon, ubo. Pero,
But that was great. That was
Yes.
still great.
opo,
Yeah,
yan.
yeah.
Chinose ko yung song na yun kasi medyo gusto kong ma-show ngayon R&B side ko po. Then, ayun, pinorform ko rin po siya sa Jameson.
Okay.
Kaya, medyo, medyo gamay po, ganyan. Gamay pa siya sa lagay na yun. Pero hindi na, pretty much, I did good naman. Bata.
So
Pero,
these songs really mean a lot to you because they
Yes.
were part of your kumbaga parang your experience with the Jameson
yes
competition.
po.
Correct.
Yes.
And we were talking about this story off the air because I asked you if this has been your stepping stone into getting into the music industry, kung ito ba yung nag-launch ng career mo. And kumbaga, hindi pala siya instantaneous na nangyari. So you
Opo.
had to join Jameson, and then eventually you got discovered by your label, KDR Music.
po.
Yeah? Okay. Paano ulit nangyari? Hindi siya automatic, no? Hindi ka
Hindi po.
agad pwedeng, because you had a contract with Jameson that you can't have a label
Yes
during
po.
that time? Okay.
Ano po, yung offer ni KDR, nag-chat po sa akin si Derek Arnold. Shoutout sa'yo. Then, nag-chat po siya through TikTok. Nakita niya po siguro yung video ko na medyo may traction, which I did a gig on Jess and Pat's sa QC, which
Okay.
I covered the 1975's Chocolate.
Okay.
And, ayun po,
So that particular track, pinost mo online?
yes po,
Okay.
yung set ko po na yun.
Okay.
Then, medyo nag-gain siya ng traction, which siguro yun po yung nakita ni Derek. Then, na-receive ko yung message, sabi parang, hello, this is Derek Arnold from KDR. Baka gusto mong mag-sign under like this label. Then, medyo matagal-tagal po na pag-uusap kasi yun nga po, under ako ng Jameson competition na yun during that time. Then, sabi ko po kay Derek na baka pwede balikan ko after nung competition. Then, sabi naman po pwede. And eventually, parang this February or January, nag-PM po ulit sa akin si Derek. Sorry. Ayun, sabi, hey, Lorenzo, are you like available now? Ganyan. Parang,
Ganyan.
ay, hindi naman po.
Akala ko, ganyan, pati tono eh. Okay,
Ano po?
go.
Then, ayun. To be honest po, nawala na siya sa isip ko na parang balikan since medyo
Okay.
pagod na sa
Okay.
competition. Tapos nagpasko pa, New Year. Parang nawala na siya sa isip ko na balikan po
Parang
yung
follow up.
offer.
Oo,
Opo.
oo.
Then ayun, through my surprise po, nag-DM pa rin po sa akin si
Okay.
Derek. So, ayun po,
And then now you're with them already.
Yes po.
Diba? It's like entering a new chapter with KDR
Yes po.
Music House. anong nagbago? When music became more than just something na ikaw lang mag-isa nagbe-build. Now you belong here. It's dito sa grupo na to that's helping you launch your music out there.
Marami, sobrang dami po in a sense na parang ngayon hindi na ako mag-isa. Kasi sanay po akong ginagawa lahat to. Like, as you can see rin po kanina, parang ako rin yung nag-set
Oo
up,
nga,
ganun.
everything.
Ako
Ikaw
rin po
nagko-control.
lahat.
Yeah,
Ayun
yeah,
po.
yeah.
Ayun nga po, sanay ako na ganun. Then, eventually may mga kasama na ngayon na parang that can help you out to promote music. Ganon. Then, may mga offer din po na parang, hey, pwede akong dyan na mag-mix, ganyan. Which, in my music po kasi ako na rin po yung nagmi-mix lahat, mix, mastered, ganon. May
Oo
mga,
nga, parang ikaw yung singer, songwriter, and producer, right?
Yes
Yeah,
po.
yeah.
Kaya ngayon na medyo, like, official na, start na po ng first year ko as a, sabi nating professional na music artist. Ayun, masaya kasi di na ako mag-isa. May mga kasama na akong, may team na ako na
Okay.
nag-handle po talaga. Nagbibigay ng mga, like, mga blessing na, tulad nito, event po dito sa Mellow Studio. Kaya, ayun.
So, this new chapter na, that you're in right now, anong gusto mong improve? Not just sa industry, but to yourself as well, as you start this new chapter in your music career?
Parang gusto ko pong i-prove na kaya kong maging homegrown artist sa KDR na magbibigay na parang sabi natin may mga hit songs ganyan. Pero di ko rin naman po pinapressure yung sarili ko na parang kailangan ganito lagi. Parang at times inaalaw ko lang po yung sarili ko na ma-feel na pag burnout ako, sige burnout lang ako. Pero parang lagi ko lang din pipiliin na mag-show up kahit na sabihin nating napapagod, ganun.
So, you just keep going.
Yes.
And
po.
if you need to take a break, then you take a break,
Yes.
right? So let's talk about the next song that you're going to be singing. It's your original
Yes.
song this time. It's called Wag Na Lang. It was released just this May.
Yes po.
Tama? Congratulations.
Thank you po.
Wow. Di ba imaginein mo, na pandemic lang, nagpo-post lang
Opo,
online.
ayun
Tapos
nga po.
ngayon, nagre-release ka na
Medyo
ng
surreal
singles.
nga. Ngayon nga po nare-realize ko, sabi ko, ano?
Di ba? It feels, siguro it feels surreal.
Opo.
Di ba? Kasi parang nangyayari, it's all happening so fast, 2025, yung competition, and then now
Yes.
you're releasing your own singles, di ba? And Wag Na Lang, is it a heartbreak song? Or is it so did you wrote the song, yes?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes po.
Is it a heartbreak song? A self-respect song? Kwento mo ba to?
Oh my God. Opo.
Kwento mo. Okay.
Ano siya, wag na lang, parang art po siya ng giving up sa someone.
The art of giving up.
Yes.
Okay.
Lalo na sa mga taong may avoidant attachment.
Okay.
Avoidant attachment meaning, parang alam yung gusto yung isa't isa,
Aha.
pero pag nagbibigay ka ng motibo or affection, parang bigla siyang aalis, lumalayo na siya. Tapos biglang pag ikaw naman yung lumayo, siya naman yung maghahabol, magpaparinig. So,
yeah.
nagawa ko po yung track na to kasi medyo nakakapagod yung ganong dynamic.
Were you experiencing it yourself when you were
Yes.
writing? Oh, okay.
Yes.
So ano ka? Ikaw
Yes.
yung may ganong klaseng,
Ako po yung na-fall sa may avoidant attachment. Yes.
So di mo alam urong sulong kumbaga.
Ayun, opo.
Right?
Opo,
Diba?
right.
Yeah.
Ayun.
So, honest siya, no?
Masyado tayong honest ngayon.
Kasi yung ibang artists, when I ask them, is it about your own story? May disclaimers like, no, it's not my story. Pero ikaw, this is my story. I fell for someone who's like this. Yung someone ba na yun, kung nanonood siya, alam niya na siya yun.
Palagay ko po. Pero,
Okay.
okay lang naman po yun siguro. Alam niyo naman yun.
Ang ganda. So, it's not really a bitter song, but it's more like, choosing to let go
Self-respect,
and
opo.
choosing yourself.
Opo, ayun
Okay.
Parang kung ganyan ka, ay, wag na lang. Ganun.
So, nung sinulat mo to, did it feel like closure for you?
Opo, closure. In a sense na parang nagiging, masaya ako na tapos na siya. Ay, sa wakas nakawala ako sa ganun. Opo.
And is that how you write your songs? To understand your feelings or to let go of feelings that ayaw mo nang maramdaman?
Minsan po kasi parang kagaya nga po na sabi ko kanina, inaalaw ko yung sarili ko na ma-feel yung emotions na ganon.
Mm.
And through that, sabi ko, ay, artist nga pala ako. Sige nga, try kong gawa ng kanta.
Okay.
Ayun po. Tapos parang, sa process na yun, parang ansay niya isulat kahit na medyo petty song siya na,
It
Pero-
isn't a petty song if it's about your feelings, di ba?
yeah.
Yeah, lalo na kung nagbibigay ka ng pagmamahal tapos lumalayo. Tapos pag
Yes.
lumayo ka, hahabulin ka naman. Baka
Opo.
habulin ka ngayon pag kinanta mo
Ay,
to
hindi
kanta.
na po. Wag na
Ay,
po
hindi na.
sana.
Wag na.
Opo, opo. Wag na
Talaga,
lang.
closure na nga
Opo.
talaga. Okay, so let's listen to that song. Live here in the Mellow Studio, we got Lorenzo Jan. He's going to be singing this track called Wag Na Lang, right here on Mellow 947 BFM.
Alam mo ba ako'y natataranta? Para iintindihan iba't ibang anyo ang nakikita. Ano ka ba? Huwag na huwag mo kong tignan ng ganyan, kahit alam mo ako'y masasaktan. Hindi alam kung dapat pang ilaban, kaya pwedeng pakilinaw naman. Don't know what to do, wag kang tanga, but I need your love. Ito ka ba naman, ba't kinakabahan? Oh, that's why you're giving up and the hero-hero. Ako'y litong-lito, kung dapat bang umito. Wag na lang, ayoko masaktan, wag na lang. Di na maintindihan, please lang. Kailan ba gigitna o kahit steady man lang? Araw-araw laging iniisip ka, gabi-gabi kay aking kalaban. Tama pa ba na hinahanap kita? Ako ay baliw, ako ay ibang, ako ay tanga. Don't know what to do, wag kang tanga, but I need your love. Ako ba naman, ba't kinakabahan? Oh, that's why you're giving up. Hero-hero, ako ay litong-litong, kung dapat ba umito? Wag na lang, ayoko masaktan, wag na lang. Di na maintindihan, please lang. Kailan ba gigitna o kahit steady man lang? Wag na lang, ayoko masaktan, wag na lang. Di na maintindihan, please lang. That's why you give up in my hero-hero. Na lang, ayoko masaktan, wag na lang. Di na maintindihan, please lang. Kailan magigitna o kahit steady man lang? How long ago was that again? I can't remember the time when we're free to give it in and do whatever. Now I've been up all day, taking my breath away, yeah. When it's breaking my heart, then I'll be singing it like time comes, myself is back again. I'll do it all again and again and again. I don't know, but the love still give me chills, and I'm sorry for the thrill now. There it goes again, making my mind go insane. When it's breaking my heart, then I'll be singing it like.
Mellow 947 BFM, still tuned into Mellow Live. My name is Anne, and of course, we still have Lorenzo Jan here in the Mellow studio. Lorenzo, welcome back.
Hello po,
Diba,
good
lumipas na
afternoon.
yung almost 1 hour na, and ang dami na natin na pagkwentuhan and everything. Off the air, may mga kwento pa. But you opened this block with your own song. It's called Singing It Like. And this was released last year, July of last year. So, anniversary nitong song na to.
Yes.
Happy anniversary.
Thanks. Thank you po.
And this was an independent release.
Yes po.
Tama ba? So what is Singing It Like? What does that title mean to you? And is this a song about how you sing, how you perform? Singing it like what?
Ano po siya? It's a song na parang self-discovery.
Mm.
Parang ano siya na kahit may problema, kahit may pinagdadaanan ka na dumating,
Mm.
parang, sige, kakanta na lang ako. Kaya yung chorus po, ano lang siya. Parang wala siyang lyrics.
Okay.
Parang, kunyari may problema dumating. Parang sign of relief siya na, okay, laban lang. Kanta ka na lang ng,
Yeah. And it does not need any complicated lyrics.
Yes
Talagang
po, parang
ano lang, parang
metaphor.
melody lang.
Opo,
right?
parang metaphor din siya in a sense
Oo.
na parang, okay, kahit anong problema or kahit anong problema, alam kong kaya ko, kaya ako napapakanta.
And this
Ganun.
was your winning song, correct?
Yes po.
We were talking about this songwriting competition earlier, the
Yes
one
po.
that you joined in, and now you're one of the judges already. So
Yes
from
po.
contestant to being a judge now, and this was your winning track.
Yes po.
Amazing. You know, you're entering the music industry at a time when artists are expected to do everything.
Yes.
Diba? Hindi lang kumanta, but to produce, to promote, to post online,
Yes.
diba? To make sure that you're always interesting. Anong part dito sa process na to yung na-excite ka? And at the same time, aling part naman yung parang nakakapagod?
Na-excite po ako dun sa in a sense na nakakabuo tayo ng community
Mm.
na, hey, parang naririnig ko yung music mo
Mm.
sa FB, ganyan, sa FB, sa IG, sa TikTok. Parang ito pala yung ikaw pala yung kumanta nito pag nagigig ka, nakikilala ka nila. Then may mga fans na nagre-reach out na, hey, parang ang ganda ng music mo, ganyan, pagpatuloy mo lang.
Okay.
Then, ayun, sa nakakapagod po, yung pag-post araw-araw. Kasi sabi ko, alam kong medyo creative naman ako, medyo madaldal.
Okay.
Kaso, pa- sorry again. Parang ano siya, medyo takot din ako ma-expose talaga. Na
Okay.
like, in an online personality. Parang ayoko pong ma-branded as
Really?
parang influencer na ganun. Pero,
Pero
parang,
which is surprising kasi you started with yung online content mo,
Yes po.
right? 'Di ba?
opo.
Oo.
Yun nga po, parang ano lang siya po talaga, hobby-hobby lang na biglang,
Biglang nag-boom.
opo, na,
And you were not expecting it
Hindi
at
po,
all to,
hindi po.
maybe like go viral, mag-trend and everything.
Hindi.
Yung mga posts mo, no?
Hindi po kasi, ewan ko po kung maniniwala kayo, pero introvert po talaga ako.
Saan banda?
Opo,
Which part? Ha? Ikaw? Si Dayan introvert? Ako ang introvert actually. Pero ikaw, saan ba?
introvert po ako, parang, pag ganito lang, pag naramdam mong comfortable ako, doon ako medyo, ganun. Pero,
But you know what? Kasi they say when you're an introvert and then you find yourself opening up to certain people, it's because you have the same energy.
Mhm.
'Di ba? So parang ang introvert kasi hindi basta-basta kanino
Yes.
nakikipag-chikahan yan
Yes
and
po.
everything, 'di ba? Unlike extroverts, they're the life of the party. They can talk to anyone. Pero
Opo.
pag introvert ka tapos hindi kayo same energy, wala, hindi
Opo,
lalabas,
like,
'di
pag
ba?
may nakita akong kakilala sa mall, hindi ko siya, like, katago ako. Not unless magkasalubungan po.
Pagka
Wala
nagkita
nang-
tayo sa mall, mag-hi ka sa akin.
Opo, miss.
I feel naman, same energy tayo kasi
Yes.
you opened up ang
Yes.
daldal mo, di ba?
Yes,
Ang dami ko tuloy
super.
questions na hindi natanong. But I love it. I love our conversation. And speaking of social media and yung nakakapagod na laging nagpo-post, which is funny because that's how you started, di ba?
Yes.
Do you feel na yung social media ngayon, it really helps artists get discovered? Or may pressure na kailangan maging content creator ka as well as a singer?
Yes and yes. Nakakatulong po siya. Then yes po na may pressure kasi parang yun nga po, parang kailangan na natin maging content creator, ganun. Pero,
Hindi lang basta-basta
opo,
posting
di
your
na
songs,
talaga
no?
ganun.
Kailangan
Opo,
may
kailangan, talaga,
creative
may
side
sariling
dun and
niche ka
all.
na
Oo.
makaka-relate yung ibang tao, ganyan. Kaya yung iba siguro nagre-resort po na parang maging funny kahit hindi sila funny, ganun. Ako po yun. Funny pero hindi naman
Tumatawa
funny.
tayo. Parang funny ka naman.
Pinaparinigan ko po yung sarili ko. Ayun.
My goodness. Okay, so we're running out of time. So let's talk about
Ay,
your
sige.
last
Okay
song,
po.
which is your newest release. Congratulations
Thank you po,
ulit,
thank you.
diba? It's called Minuto. And what is this about? Is it about a person, a moment, a feeling?
It's about naman po, love sa tao na parang alam mong nandyan para sa'yo. Then, through like, medyo seryoso na yung buhay, medyo relate siya sa akin po ulit. Since,
Okay.
graduate na.
Congratulations, by the way.
Thank you po. Medyo na siya. Ito na yung real life. Hindi na to basta kilig lang. So, Minuto is a parang, what do you call it? An assurance song to someone you love na, hey, nandito lang ako, pero may iba muna akong priority na parang kailangan mas pagtuunan ng pansin kasi first and foremost, sa Pilipinas tayo, kailangan natin kumayod.
That's so true,
Yes.
though.
Kailangan natin
Yeah.
kumayod.
Okay.
Then, ayun po, na parang, hey, assurance to na andito lang ako. Medyo busy lang, pero nandito pa rin ako.
Okay. So that's very sweet and romantic.
Yeah.
Diba? So I hope that person hindi urong sulong.
Hindi naman
Right?
po.
Hindi naman.
yun.
Yeah. What kind of songs yung hindi mo pa nasusulat pero you know that you need to write about it someday?
Sad song.
Sad songs.
Opo.
Okay.
Kasi, na-realize ko rin po siya actually last week lang po, ay, wala pa akong hugot song, no. Parang,
Is it because hindi ka pa masyadong nakaka-experience na?
naka-experience naman na po.
Heartbreak.
Siguro
Okay.
masyado lang pong vulnerable yung ganong parang songwriting pa para sa akin.
Okay.
So, parang ayoko pang ma-expose na, sensitive naman nito. Ay, yearner naman nito. Ganon. Pero parang ngayon medyo nagkakaroon na akong confidence na sumulat ng mga ganong bagay po.
Mhm.
Ayan.
So we are expecting sad songs in
Opo.
the future. Tapos pag nag-guest ka ulit next time, mga sad songs
Opo.
naman, mga hugot songs naman yung
Opo.
kakantahin mo. And Filipinos love hugot songs, 'di ba?
Ayun po.
Surprisingly pagka nagvi-videoke, laging pinipili yung mga ang tawag doon las pulso hits.
Opo.
Kasi every time you listen to it, parang okay na inuulit mo yung
Opo.
mga sugat, yung mga pains mo. No? But what kind of artist do you want to become in the next few years? Because you're so young. Looking at you, parang ang dami mo nang na-achieve and in such a short span of time too. Kasi, di ba, you started nung pandemic, although you have been singing since you were 3 years.
Yes po.
Grade 3, right? So, what in the next few years, anong klaseng artist ang gusto mong maging?
Gusto pong maging artist na parang the same pa rin na nagko-connect pa rin sa community na nabibuild niya and nag-engage sa mga fans ganon na hey, mabait pa rin ako ganyan, hindi naman ako nagbabago. And music wise parang gusto ko pong makilala na as an artist medyo versatile tayo na hindi lang tayo stuck sa yun nga po hugot sa love songs. Parang gusto ko rin po ma-showcase na kaya ko rin magsulat ng mga bagay na parang makaka-relate mostly yung masa. Pero hindi lang true love or true heartbreak. Ganun.
Pwede ka rin nga magsulat ng ng political songs, 'di ba? Oh, ngayon parang yan ang usap-usapan if you want to reach out to the masses, 'di ba? But we can expect more from Lorenzo Jan. Before you go, where can they find your songs? Where can they stream your music? And where can they find you?
Hello everyone, my songs are available on all streaming platforms, Spotify, Apple Music. Then you can follow me on all my social media accounts at Lorenzo Jan. And sa TikTok at Lorenzo Jan din. Then sa Facebook, Lorenzo Jan din. That's pretty much it, guys. You can follow me there. Medyo funny ako.
Pag nagkamali pa kayo, iba na yun. Kasi Lorenzo Jan naman sa lahat.
Lorenzo para sa lahat.
May tagline ka na pag tumakbo ka for politics or something. But thank you, Lorenzo.
Thank you po. Thank you, Melo Radio. Thank you po.
For all your stories, for all your kwento, for all the jokes and everything. I enjoyed this conversation so much. Ladies and gentlemen, Lorenzo Jan, thank you for joining us on Facebook Live, on TikTok Live, and of course, those who are listening through their radio. Thank you so much for joining us. Again, this show is called Mellow Live. My name is Anne. We have different artists every Thursday at 3 p.m. And for today, we got Lorenzo Jan. And to close the show, here he is with one final song on Mellow Live. It's called Minuto, and you're hearing it right here on Mellow 947 BFM.
Ako, bigyan mo ngang pansin. Pag-ibig ko, nais kang mahalin. Kapag ako'y pagod maghapon, ika'y palaging nariyan. Kapag hindi alam ang hantungan, ito'y alam mo kung saan. Ikaw ang hinihintay na makasangabang buhay. Laging hinahanap minuto ang iyong mga yakap, magkahawak kamay. At doon ko natutunang ito ay tunay. babadyang trahedyang gugulo sa'yo, sinta. Di ko man mapayo at igagad ang aking naramdaman. Pasensya kung hindi ko naman sinasadyang ganyan. Agad akong tumatamlay pag mundo mo'y walang kulay. Laging hinahanap minuto ang lumamayakap, magkahawak kamay. At doon ko natutunan ito ay tunay. At kung sa dulo man ika'y kasama, ibabalik pa rin ang nakaraan. Kung ba't ko inibig ka ng tunay. Bawat minuto bigla na pagbago pag nariyan ka. Mundo'y tumitigil pag tayong dalawa'y pinag-isa. Laging hinahanap minuto ang lumamayakap, magkahawak kamay. At doon ko natutunan ito ay tunay. At kung sa dulo man ika'y kasama,